Okay, so hey everyone, this is Chris, come back with another new video. Now, today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can unlock 120 FPS in BGMI or PUBG Mobile. If you want to unlock 120 FPS in your device, first make sure your device supported minimum 120 FPS. If your device supported more than 120 FPS, then you can easily unlock 120 FPS in BGMI. And if your device support only 60 or 90 FPS, then you can unlock only is 60 or 90 FPS in your device. This method work on phone or tablets both. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. Before you can notice here, my device currently supported here only 60 or 90 FPS in my BGMI here. So you can notice here in graphics in customized section, balance with extreme and smooth and super smooth with extreme. So let's start how we can unlock 120 FPS in BGMI here. So first you have to download some application from Play Store and some applications from App Store. If you want to download both applications from Play Store, then you can download, and if you want to download from App Store, then you can do. So if you want to download from Play Store, then open Play Store and first download here FPS Unlocker. So download the first application here, and after that you have to install here Shijuku application from Play Store. Then after installing of both application, open here Shijuku application first and tap here pairing. Before you have to enable here developer option from about phone or settings here. Tap 7 times on build number or OS version for enabling developer option. After that you have to open here developer option. You can manually search or you can manually open developer option here. Then you have to enable one toggle. Its name is wireless debugging. Enabling this toggle makes sure your device connected with any Wi-Fi or any hotspot here. So you can enable your another phone hotspot. Then you have to connect your phone. Then you can easily enable here wireless debugging. First connect your phone or device with Wi-Fi, and then you can enable here wireless debugging. After that open Shijuku and then tap on pairing. Then this type of page appear here. So you have to allow all permission here which it required. Then tap on developer option and you will be direct in developer option. Simply scroll here and you have to find here wireless debugging section. Tap on it, and after that you have to tap on last option, pair device with pairing code. Then this type of pairing code appear here, Wi-Fi pairing code. So you have to enter this pairing code in your notification center. So simply pull down notification center and tap on enter pairing code, and you have to enter here Wi-Fi pairing code. So tap on enter pairing code and you have to enter your pairing code. After that tap on send. Then you can notice this type of pop-up appear here, pairing successful. It means our Shijuku is paired successfully with wireless debugging. Then you have to open here Shijuku again and tap on back here. And after that you have to tap on a start button. Then you have to wait here 5 to 6 seconds here minimum. And after that you can notice this type of page appear here. And if you having OnePlus phone, Oppo phone and Realme phone, then you have to enable one toggle. Its name is disable monitoring. You can enable this feature from developer option. And if you having Xiaomi phone and red color warning appear here, then you have to enable your secure debugging from developer option. Both of toggle you can enable if your device having this feature in developer option. After that you have to tap on authorize application and allow the permission to FPS unlocker. Then you have to open here FPS unlocker here and allow all permission and tap on first option FPS unlocker. Then this type of page appear here. So you have to select here first game version. If you using BGMI, then you have to select. If you having PUBG Mobile Global, if you having Korean version, Taiwan version and Vietnam version, you have to select your game version according to your device region here. And after that you have to swipe right this toggle. Then it will take around here 5 to 10 seconds. You have to wait here and one ad appear here. So you have to skip all this type of ad. Then you have to close all these type of application from recent here. And after that we have to simply hold on BGMI and tap on app information or app settings here, and you have to clear cache here, not clear all data. If you clear all data, then you have to download all this type of expansion pack of BGMI. So you have to simply tap on clear cache here. After that open your BGMI here. And let's check about 120 FPS is unlock or not in BGMI. So in graphics section you can notice here is smooth with ultra extreme. It means 120 FPS is successfully enabled on my device here. By this method you can easily unlock 120 FPS in your any device here. First make sure your device support 120 FPS here. Then after that you can proceed all this type of thing and unlock 120 FPS in BGMI. That's all about today's video. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in another video. Thanks for watching this video.